If you run an e-commerce store, your website is probably leaking money right now. Visitors are dropping off, and you are leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single month. By the end of this short video, I'm going to show you the exact data-driven framework to use to find where your store is losing sales, so you can plug the leaks and instantly scale your revenue. Most business owners guess. They redesign the homepage, they launch a new ad campaign, or they keep changing the colors. But guessing is expensive, and it takes a very long time. Before you change a single thing on your website, you need to do one thing: find exactly where your store is leaking revenue right now. Step 1 is understanding your baseline. You need to look at your current e-commerce conversion rate. You can find this in Google Analytics under the conversion rate report. If you do not have such a report there, download a free PDF guide using the link in the description to see how to add it. Here is the rule of thumb. If your conversion rate is above 2.5%, you are doing okay. That is the industry average. But if your conversion rate is below 2.5%, you have a leaky bucket. You are losing customers who actually want to buy from you. To find out where that leak is, you need data. You must ensure your store is tracking specific events. At an absolute minimum, you need to be tracking three things: add to cart, begin checkout, purchases. Without these three metrics, you are flying blind. Once that tracking is set up, you look at your purchase journey report. This report will show you the exact step with the lowest completion rate. For example, if you see that thousands of people view a product, but only a tiny percentage actually click Add to Cart, your problem isn't your checkout. Your problem is your product page. If people are adding items to the cart, but abandoning it at the Begin Checkout step, then you need to fix your shopping cart. Don't optimize your store based on opinions. Optimize based on where the data shows the biggest leak. This is just step 1. If you want to see the exact tools we use to track user behavior, or the specific benchmarks you need to hit at each stage, we have put it all in our wholesale e-commerce optimization guide. You can download the full guide for free using the link in the description. Stop guessing and start growing. And if you found this helpful, like and subscribe for part 2.